Hi, Babatunde. I was meant to mention this about what do you call it, Fibonacci, how to use the Fibonacci tool, the right way to use it. You must always think about um, point A to B. Um, so if I try to, let's try to, oops, I've got to try to actually get this. So you must always go from point A to B. So if you're going to be taking Fibonacci tool on this, you've always got to go on the impulse leg, and you've got to choose the impulse leg to go from. Um, so if you're looking for an up move, so this would be your point A to B. Then if this move has happened, then this would be the new point A to B. Then if this move has happened, then this would be the next point A to B. So you've got to place the tool from A going over to B, and then the tool will then show you the different lines. You shouldn't go from B to A. It's got to go from A to B, and is the opposite um, for a down move. So this will always be point A to B, or point A to B, or point A to B. So you place the tool from here to here, then it will now give you all the lines. It will always start from 23.6, 38.2, 50, and so on and so forth. So on just quickly on the chart, it will be like this. So I need to first of all determine the moves I'm looking at. So if you look at this, you see this moves from here to here. We didn't get a pullback, so the actual pullback happened from here to here. So that would be my A to B. Then I would have used the Fibonacci ratio to go boom, A to B. And you can see this came in around 61.8. Then price then moved again. But if you notice, this low here did not cross this. The first time it crossed was here. So I could then also go boom to here. And so I can also take Fibonacci Retracement Tool. So we've got to delete this now. And the next A to B will be A to B. I can still see this came around 61.8, actually past 61.8, but didn't get to 78.6, and then it pulled back. And so the next A to B would then be this move that's happened like this is the pullback. So this is the pullback. And so the next A to B will be this, which right now we are getting a tiny pullback now. So we will be checking A to B, and so we're waiting for price to come back into this kind of area here. Will it happen? It could. We don't know. We'll see. So that's for a down move, really, of how to do it. And the opposite is for an up move. So if we see the same thing here, you can see we had an A to B here, or even, and so we can see I can actually use this A to B here. So this would have been my A to, because the highest point, you can use this too, but yeah, that's actually that one there, A to B. And then this is the C that is coming down, but then we wouldn't have known it came down here. But let's see how much that went. Say A to B, and it came into 38, didn't quite get to 50, and then it starts to move back up. And so where is my next A to B? So we now had a new high, which then started to retrace a small high. Then we can go A to B again, boom, and this one got to 78.6 before it then came back down. And we now had another, so we had to pull back up to 78.6. Then we now had another impulse leg, can you see, pulled up to this place. So that gives us another A to B, A to be, and this came around 61.8. Price came all the way down to 68.8. So that's how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. I remember I mentioned it on you. I mentioned that I'll show you on Sunday night. So that's it, really. Okay. Any other questions? Please let me know. Cheers.